When you first open the workbook, the first thing you see here is sheet 1. Now you can add more sheet. Click on the plus sign, sheet 2, and so on. Now you can rename it. Right click, rename it, or delete it. Or you can just double click it. I'm going to name it lesson 1. Okay. I'm going to right click and you're going to delete it for now. Over here, each of the cells is defined at the intersection of column and row. Here, it will be defined as C2. Here, E3. Now, how many rows there are in Excel? To do that, we'll hit the Control key and the down arrow. Here, it shows that you have 1,048,576 rows. Similarly, to know how many columns, you hold the Control key and right arrow. Now, you get a number called XFD, which means there's a number. To know what that number is, you go to the file, press on the options, click on the formulas, check R1 C1 reference style. R1 C1 is used by VBA programmer. Now we'll click OK. And there it is, 16,384 columns. Now, to go back home, you press the Control key and Home key. It takes you back to A1. Now, we're going to change it back to the familiar style. So you go back to File here. Go back to Options, Formulas, uncheck R1 C1 style. Now we go back to having the familiar look, A, B, C, D. When you're here, you can actually see that you can zoom it in to see more. Right now it looks kind of small. To make it bigger to look at, now you can go over here. This is called the zoom. Click on that. Fit the selection. Click OK. Now it's zoomed in for you. Now you want to go back. Click on it and go back to 100%. Note there is a slider here. You can use your mouse to scroll it to change the zoom level. I'm going to change it back to 100%. Click OK. And we'll see you in the next lecture.